Taylor theorem. The Taylor theorem can be related to function which we have to span if the region defined is circle or disk type. You can see fz is equal to what? That will be equal to fa plus fa dash divided by 1 factorial z minus a plus fa double dash 2 factorial z minus a square plus so on fa the power n z minus a the power n divided by n factorial, right? So this is a Taylor theorem that we want to prove. So this article is for the basically complex way we will talk, right? Suppose that a function is analytic with the circle C, this type is there, center is this is center, A is the radius, then at every point z inside this circle or on the disk you can say fz will be equal to fa dash by 1 factorial z minus a plus fa double dash 2 factorial z minus a square plus that dash that we want to prove. Now Cauchy integral formula, first of all we know this formula fa is equal to what? 1 by 2 pi I, right? fz z minus a dz. That is Cauchy integral formula. But our is fz. That the function we want to expand in Taylor theorem. So the fz is there. Here fa is there. It means a will be replaced by z. But only z is there. So z as you can write as t. So same thing I have written, right? So fa here. So this a written as z, and this z and this z written as t, right? Already I have written here also a by z and z by t. Further, we know this Cauchy integral formula fz equal to what? 1 by 2 pi I c ft t minus z, right, into dt. Now in the upper equation, this 1 by t minus z we will try to write first in this way. 1 by t minus z is equal to what? 1 by t minus a and plus a minus z. So minus a added and minus a this subtraction is there. So that it means the formula will not change. Same formula will be there. So now combining t minus a and this minus sign I have taken out, right? What will be there? It will be z minus a. So same thing I am writing. Further, so 1 by t minus z, right? What will be there? I will take the t minus a common from the population, right? So 1 minus z minus a divided by t minus a, right? In the bracket is there. So this is in the denominator. You can take to the numerator also. So power will be minus 1. So 1 by t minus a into 1 minus z minus a divided by t minus a with power minus 1. Now expand the relation. Here you can say we can do expansion by this formula. 1 minus x the power minus 1 is there. This is a formula. This want to write expansion of this formula. That will be 1 plus x square plus cube. So here if you compare this one, here x will be this one. Same thing I am writing here. Z minus a divided by t minus a. So replacing, so 1 by t minus z. What will be equal to that? 1 by t minus a. Same thing here, right? So expanding this one. 1 by t minus a as such. 1 plus expansion x. What is x? X is this one. Z minus a divided by t minus a plus z minus a t minus a the whole square and so on. In this way we can write the value of 1 by t minus z. Further, so this relation, because this we have already written in the previous slide, same thing I am changing now. Now you can take 1 by t minus a inside, it will be 1 by t minus a, right? What is z minus a the power 0? 1. So in place of 1 I can write z minus a the power 0. Simply z minus a as such power 1 and t minus, because t minus a is here also, here also. So you can take inside, so it will be t minus a the power 4 square. So same thing I am writing. Similarly, it is a square. So t minus a you take inside will be, it means it will be, if you take this t minus a inside, it will be t minus a the power cube. Then 4. What I want to say? I want to say that you see z minus a the power 0 here, 0 is 1 only, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. And if you say t minus a, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. Now, putting the value of 1 by t minus z, right? In the equation 1, this was the equation 1. F z equal to 1 by 2 pi I, the same thing, right? Then ft divided by t minus z. So this t minus z value of 1 by t minus z I will put here, right? What will be the answer? 1 by 2 pi I, right? Z minus a the power 0 divided by t minus a into ft dt, right? Similarly here, 1 by 2 pi I, z minus a the power 1, t minus a the power square now, right? Because we have a square right here in the second term, same time writing, simply ft dt will be extra and integration will be there, right? So 1 by 2 pi I, because I am putting these values here, 1 by t minus z we are putting here, I am putting here. So what will happen? So open the bracket, this will be the answer then further. Now this is copied from the previous slide. So f z equal to what? 1, then z minus a, because z is constant, a is constant, you can take out. Same thing I am taking out. Z minus a to the power 0. 2 pi I is there, 2 pi I is there. 1 is there, 1 is there. What is 0 factorial? 1, right? Further ft by t minus a, ft dt divided by t minus a. Further 1 by 2 pi I as such. Z minus a, 1, you can take out this one, right? Further multiply by 1 factorial, divide 1 factorial. Why I am doing that? Because if you see the formula, this formula, we have a, if I put n equal to 1, 1 factorial, 2, 2 factorial, 3, 3 factorial, that I want. So, but we don't have these type of values here. So that's why I am dividing and multiplying. Means no change will be there. So accordingly I am doing here 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Because the factorials we don't have in this expression. 1 factorial, 1 factorial, right? So here also, because what is 1? 0 factorial, same thing writing. Already 1 is there. So what is 1? That is 0 factorial. So we are, I am trying to write this formula in this form. Further, this is by, if you from the previous slide, this is the formula for Cauchy integral formula for nth derivative, right? So f a the power n, right? This is the formula, right? So in the above relation, basically we want to change, because this is the formula I write in the form of t, right? Okay. Fa, this one, because what is Fa? 1, 0 factorial by 2 pi, because it is what? 0 factorial, right? 2 pi I, z minus, if you want you can write also, right? Z minus a the power 0 also, no need to write here, right? So further what happens? This is z minus a as such common, 1 factorial, 2 pi I, right? That is this one. So what I want to say, if you see this part is Fa, basically this part, similar to that, you can see here, right? Same. Similarly Fa dash, that is similar to that, you can see here. So only z minus is extra, that I am writing here. 1 factorial is extra, I am writing here, and 1 factorial divided by 2 pi I, same thing. Integration t minus a the power square, right? here n equal to 1 means basically if you write also here also n equal to 1, it is understood, right? So because I am taking n is equal to 1, so you see here n plus 1, so here it will be 2, right? Further you can see also this this is basically 2, right? Okay, now question 2 can be written as fz is equal to what? That is from the previous slide, fa plus z minus a 150. This was extra, I am writing as such. You can see here also from this side, right? Z minus a as such, 150 extra, that I am writing, and the other part is fa dash plus z minus a the whole square 2 factorial fa double dash, right? That's all. So which is a Taylor theorem. You can compare this. I want to prove this we have done, right? So that this was the article. Thank you.